Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing title not found on Prime Video, it's usually due to region restrictions, expired licensing, search issues, or account problems. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix title not found error on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. You have to know first that not all titles are available in every country. Content can be removed due to licensing changes, and some titles require subscriptions to add on channels. Okay, so most cases region or licensing limitation. Okay, so check the title or check title availability in your region, like try searching for the title in a browser. Confirm it's available in your country, for example USA, Turkey, Morocco. So availability varies by region. Okay, disable VPN or proxy if you are using any, like turn off VPN or proxy because VPN often causes title not found errors. Okay, check if it requires a channel subscription. So some title belong to add-on channels, okay, for example Star, Z, or Paramount Plus, so you may need an extra subscription. Okay, try a direct link or different search, like search using full title name. Try alternative spelling. Okay, search glitches can hide titles. You can restart the app, like close Prime Video at all, like remove it from the recent apps and reopen it again. Okay, it refreshes content catalog. Okay, you can update the app as a whole, like go to App Store or go to your store, update Prime Video. This fixes fixes search and catalog bugs. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.